Hello, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I do have some The Olive Tree products to talk about. These are their Secret Garden Holiday Collection. It's also, I believe, it's their new range as well. I think it's the Natural Repair range. I believe they work together with a homegrown artist called Bunga dan Bintang. She kind of designed all this nice, beautiful box and also the entire new range. This is not my first time trying the Olive Tree products. I have tried some of their products before and I absolutely love them. Personally, I love their rosemary and mint shampoo. It's amazing. And I believe during that time I was kind of new into whole natural skincare kind of products. Took a while to kind of get used to, but once you get into it, you will know how amazing they are. I've also tried some of their bars, their body wash bars, and they're very nice, very good for my skin. I do have sensitive skin and so far none of their products have actually caused my eczema to come back or caused my rashes to appear. Their stuff is something that I can definitely use. The Olive Tree is all made in Australia and they are all natural skincare products. They are known to be vegan, sulfate free, paraben free, silicone free, no synthetic colors, no synthetic fragrance, no animal testing, and no harmful petrochemical. Besides that, they are also considered as eco-conscious, sustainably minded, and beyond clean beauty. So they do their best to try to keep their packaging to be plastic free, and also they do have this program where you reduce, reuse, refill, and recycle. After I'm done with this bottle, I can actually bring it to one of their stores and then kind of just refill it from there. I personally think that this is a really good initiative on their end. So without further ado, let's get into the review of the new range. All-in-one premium repair and protect solution. Natural repair collection is supposed to be also like damage repair kind of collection. A mastery of Australia plant extraction brings 4 charmed result from nature. Strengthen and repair skin cells, enhances protective barrier of the skin, adds moisture and hydration, fights free radical for younger looking skin. One of the main ingredients in this natural repair range is sea buckthorn. It's a natural retinol. It's 10 times greater vitamin C and a natural alternative to retinol to promote cell regeneration. They are an excellent protector against damaging UV exposure. It has vitamin E, vitamin C, and also flavonoids B1, B2, and K, as well as essential fatty acids, make it exceptionally nourishing for the hair and body. This range comes with 5 products. They have the shampoo and conditioner, the body wash, the body lotion, and also the hand cream. Let's talk about the shampoo and conditioner first. For me, I do have dandruffy kind of a flaky scalp. Usually I try to opt for anti-dandruff shampoo, but so far of me using the shampoo, it hasn't caused any sort of dandruff issues. My dandruff have not come back. It doesn't cause any irritation to my skin. It doesn't cause my eczema to come back as well. That's like, for me, it's already a win in my book. This is an ultra moisturizing shampoo that works on damage repair and prevent future damage. Formulated with sea buckthorn fruit extract, works with bergamot essential oil to stimulate the cell renewal, strengthen hair, and restore hair elasticity. Personally, for sea buckthorn, I really don't know how it smells like, but overall the scent of specifically bergamot is quite prominent in there. They are not very fragrancy, like in a very unauthentic way. They actually smells very natural, true to what it is, because it is a natural product after all. It doesn't smell artificial to me, which is a great thing, because sometimes I really don't like skincare products or even shampoos or body wash that smells artificial. That just makes me feel like, ugh. But this one I love. I really do love how it smells like. In terms of the shampoo itself, I would have to say if this is your first time trying a natural shampoo, then you will definitely feel like it's a little bit drying on the hair when you first wash it. It is very common among all natural shampoo, but if you have used natural shampoo before, you would know that this is how it is with natural shampoo. Cleans really nicely, that's one thing. And this one, it doesn't lather as much, like it doesn't foam up as bubbly as how your commercial shampoo is. That's what it is. Natural shampoo is always like that. It's just not something where you can just run your finger through after using a natural shampoo. So that's why I always recommend to get the conditioner as well. well, because this is what it's gonna help with softening your hair and making your hair shiny and just smooth in general. So this conditioner is an ultra moisturizing and deep conditioning silicone free conditioner that helps to restore radiance and protect your hair from pollution, chemical and UV damage with sea buckthorn fruit extract formulation. This conditioner changed everything. So once you use the shampoo, immediately after that you go on with the conditioner. You just run it through at the ends of your hair, and then you just work your way up, just like how you normally use a regular conditioner. This changed everything. It will immediately soften up your hair. It will immediately make your hair feel smoother, easier to run through with your finger, and even after you kind of blow dry it or just dry your hair, it will keep your hair feeling super soft and smooth and shiny, as well as you can tell. Like, I did not use any oil. I only used this shampoo and this conditioner. My hair is so freaking shiny and soft and nice as well, and at the same time it is also kind of like bouncy as well, so it feels really nice. This combination is amazing. It really just moisturizes my hair, and it doesn't irritate my skin, it doesn't irritate my scalp, it hasn't caused my dandruff to come back at all, and it hasn't caused my eczema to come back. It hasn't like irritated my skin in any way. So this is amazing for me. I absolutely love this, and it smells really nice. However, I will have to say that the smell doesn't linger. Like, it's not one of those fragrances where it lingers for a long time. It doesn't keep your hair smelling super fragrancy like how the scent is. As much as I really do enjoy the scent of this, the fact that the scent of the shampoo and conditioner doesn't really linger on my hair too much is also a good thing, because sometimes it can be overpowering. Shampoos that have scent that lingers on your hair for too long also may not necessarily be the best. It just leaves like a very light citrusy scent on the hair. It's definitely not one of those shampoo and conditioner where it's gonna make your hair smell florally and citrusy throughout the day or throughout the few days that you don't wash your hair. Cleaning wise, the shampoo is amazing to make your hair look softer, shinier. The conditioner definitely helps. Okay, next up we have the body wash. It's an energizing body wash, lightly scented with bergamot and frankincense, enriched with sea buckthorn fruit extract that's full of fatty acids. This body wash enhances the protective barrier of the skin, prevents moisture loss, and maintains hydration. So it helps to clean, protects, and hydrates the skin. Personally, I can smell the bergamot a lot, and the frankincense is somewhere. There's a hint of the frankincense in there as well. So the entire range actually do smell the same, which is amazing. I love one shower where you can actually smell the same throughout your head to toe. For the body wash, from the bottle itself, when you first pump it out, it might smell like it's a little bit strong, but once you kind of wash on your body and you kind of rinse it off, the scent doesn't really linger, just like the shampoo and conditioner. It's not one of those like fragrances where it lingers throughout wherever you go. Okay, it cleans quite well, but it really doesn't leave your skin feeling extremely dry unless you use a lot of it. Okay, but if you use a small amount, just enough, you will notice that it doesn't foam up as much as, again, other commercial body washes, because it is a natural product after all. A little goes a long way. Just use a small amount and it cleans nicely without feeling too dry. And then we have the body lotion. It smells exactly like all the other products that we have here. The bergamot is quite prominent, the frankincense is quite nice as well. This one is a rich yet weightless body lotion that absorbs instantly to soften and help to restore elasticity. Enhanced by sea buckthorn fruit extract and 5 botanical blend of essential oils, it strengthens the skin lipid barrier for stronger protection, prevents and fight free radicals for younger skin texture. This lotion is thick. As what it says, it's a freaking rich lotion. It feels almost like cream. Once you fully massage it all over your skin, it actually feels very lightweight. It doesn't feel sticky. It doesn't leave any sort of stickiness. It absorbs very nicely into the skin, really makes your skin feels like it's thoroughly moisturized, but at the same time it doesn't leave any sort of like sticky or oily layer on the surface of the skin at all. Although when you first pump it out, it has that slightly strong bergamot and frankincense scent. However, once you kind of massage it into your skin, the scent is not very strong at all. Like, you can't really smell it from afar. Again, the scent doesn't linger as much as some other lotions or some other skincare products. Then we have the hand cream. Personally, I feel like the hand cream is not too much of a difference as compared to the lotion. They are very similar, both of them. Let me see if their ingredients are any different or not. The consistency and the texture of both of this lotion and the cream is quite similar, but looking at the ingredients wise, the hand cream itself has an additional cocoa seed butter in here. So it has some sort of butter in here to make it supposed to be like richer, because most hand creams are generally supposed to be richer as compared to the lotions. But I think the great part about this is that obviously this comes in a smaller packaging. It's easier for you to bring out to use, but both of them feels very similar in terms of texture and in terms of finishes. They are very rich product, but at the same time it's very lightweight. It doesn't leave any sort of oily feeling on the surface of your hands, and the scent is not overpowering. It really thoroughly moisturizes the skin. I think for this festive season, if you spend a minimum amount of 350, you get this My Secret Garden Wanderlust travel set, where it comes with shampoo and the body wash and also the hand cream itself. If you see this page, they have a lot, like for their Christmas season or their festive season, they have a lot of like gift sets that are super reasonable. And if you know you have someone who loves natural products, this is the greatest time to get one set for them. If you just want to try some of their products, this is also the greatest time to try. So that's pretty much it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoy. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!
Don't forget to like and subscribe!